Yo, what is up, everybody? S Crypto 101 coming at you guys with another video today. Sorry for the wait. I know I have been out of commission for the past couple of days just because I've been so busy with a couple of things. First off, I've been under the weather, just really focusing on getting myself back to where I need to be, back to 100% so I can make some great content and just so I can be alive, just so I can feel good. It always sucks to be sick. Second, I've just been working on some stuff when I've been telling you guys when it comes to real estate in terms of trying to close on a house, et cetera, et cetera. If you guys have ever been in the process of looking for a home, it is crazy. And especially the market I'm in right now, everything is booming. So it's been even more hectic. So it's asked that you guys do, just show a little bit of patience when it comes to some of the airdrops, some of the content, et cetera, just because, I got to make sure that everything is good at home before I'm even able to make videos. If I don't got a house, if I don't got, if I'm not feeling good, I can't make these videos for you guys. So I got to make sure I take care of those things first thing first. And you guys can already see I'm taking care of you. But wait, hold on. Before I get into that, make sure you guys stop what you're doing right now. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit the comment button. Just leave some feedback. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button. So, as soon as I release these videos, like I said, please smash that like button. That is really going to help out the algorithm in terms of this video and get this out to more people so that we can get more people on the passive income train. Now, as you guys can see, we already are helping out everybody on the team who is on the team currently. I'm sending out the airdrops for everybody who has 25 plus drip deposit. We had 18 valid addresses on the team this week. So we are sending out half a drip to everybody on the team. Now, if you are not on the team yet, make sure that you grab my buddy address from the description below. Get here to the Get a Buddy section, hit refresh, deposit at least one drip, and you are good to go. That will make you eligible for the airdrops going forward. Now, let's talk about Drip if you guys don't already know about Drip. Drip is a passive income platform that pays you out 1% based off of your deposits. So it is great right now, a great time to get in. We're sitting at $27.28. Now, I do think that this is possibly going to go down a little bit lower. I think that we see, I honestly think it's possible that we do see a $20 drip token at some point, just because, Forex, the dev for the project is currently mainly focused on the piggy bank, which is coming out on Thursday of this week. So we got that coming in a couple days. And then the animal farm, I am thinking is going to be probably mid-May until we get that one. So I think that's still probably 2 or 3 weeks out, which is going to introduce a new use case for the drip token, which will drive the price up. But we're still a couple weeks out from that one. I would not get your heart set on a specific date for that one because we already know how these delays go. So just make sure that you guys do understand that. I think the drip is just going to see a little bit more downward pressure for the next couple of weeks. And then we're going to see a nice rebound. So now is the best time to DCA. Now is the best time to build your bag, as well as the best time to build your team. Always tell people this: the best time to build your team is when the price of the token is low. Yes, you look at the chart and it's been declining, etc. But this, like they always say, buy the dip, buy the dip. This is the best time to accumulate, and it's different. It's not like you're buying just a cryptocurrency and you're buying the dip, and then if it goes lower, you're screwed. No, with drip, you're actually able to compound the asset and you're actually able to earn more, and you're earning 1% on that every single day. There is not another cryptocurrency token that is doing that right now in terms of you can sit here, deposit it, earn 1% on it every day. So it's not like other tokens. You don't just hold it and, you're SOL if it goes down, and then you're, grateful if it goes up. You can actually build your way out of these dips by compounding, which is such an important thing to think about when it comes to drip. Now, talking about drip, one thing I do want to say as well is make sure that you guys are taking a look at this reservoir, right? This reservoir is going to be a great opportunity also to bring in another form of passive income, and it's going to allow us to even stabilize the price more of drip. So what I have tasked myself with is I am going to put 0.5 BNB here into the reservoir, just so that I am able to, kind of put in my token of I want to see this project, move forward. And, I want to be able to see us with the stability of the price, as well as I just want to see more people be involved with this, right? Because I always say, if you're going to get into a cryptocurrency project, especially now, you have to be all in on it. If you trust the dev team, you trust the concept, and you build a community around it, etc., then go all in. That's one thing I do hate to hear is, if it's a project that you believe in, why are you only putting in $10 to $20? If that's all you have, I understand. But how are you really supporting a project if you're putting in $10 to $20, and then, even if it does moon, if it does 100x, I mean, even if it does 100x, that's $2,000. That's great. But think about, I really like this project, etc. Let me put in 150, 200. Put in a little bit more risk, and then think about when it moons at that point. That's my biggest thing is, if there's a project that you truly believe in, be its biggest cheerleader. Make sure that you understand the ins and outs of it. Make sure that if you're in drip, that you understand the benefits of being in the reservoir as well. Because one thing I've seen, when we look at how many players are in drip, it's over 100,000, but there is only right around 5 to 6,000 people in the reservoir. If everybody hopped in the reservoir, what this is going to do is it's going to add BNB to the liquidity for drip, which is going to even make it stabilize its price even more, because currently for drip we have BUSD liquidity and BNB liquidity. So if we are able to stabilize those even more or add to them as a community, drip is going to do even better in the long run. So make sure that you guys are hopping in here as well. This is a challenge to my team. If you guys are on my team and you go in here and you make a deposit of at least 0.1 BNB into the reservoir, I'm going to do an airdrop for everybody on my team who went in and did a 0.1 BNB deposit into the reservoir. I'm going to get an airdrop, and I'm going to divide it amongst everybody who went in and did that exactly, because that is super important that we do work together as a community, and especially if you're a team builder or you're a team leader, that you're making sure that you're giving this information to your team as well, because the thing is, everybody wants the price to go up, so everybody has to put in the work. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my 0.5 BNB here, as you can see, and we're going to get this thing going in the reservoir. And once again, this is another way that we'll be earning passive income on a daily basis. All right, we're not only talking about drip today, we're also going to be talking about some different passive income projects that we're in. Of course, you guys should already know about the Drip Garden. So Drip Garden, the value has been going down a little bit here as well, just because the contract balance is getting drained. So we're at 509,000 LP tokens here. As you can see, I have 401 plants available. So I've just been letting this accumulate. I mean, I'm going to compound it. I've just been letting it accumulate because I just like to see the big numbers. I know that probably hurts my compounding, etc. Not really too worried about this one. This is earning me almost $30 a day. So doing really good here. I think this is definitely going to go up as we see the price of drip go up. But I'm just going to keep sitting here compounding. Like I've talked about before, the best time to compound is when everybody else is claiming, because at the end of the day, once the price goes back up, you're going to be king or queen. So look, this is another great passive income platform you guys can get in. You're earning 3% a day. So, and that's the thing, never really just forget about, how much you're making. $30 doesn't seem like a lot, but $30 a day, I mean, that adds up to quite a bit of money. So let's move over here to Piston. Piston has been doing this thing, guys. Man, did you see that price? That thing has been revving itself up. It's up to $17. So looking really good here, as you guys can see. We're looking good. We have, and they're always doing updates. As you guys can see, I had that AMA kind of debrief on my channel. Definitely check that out if you have not checked that out yet. It's gonna be at the end of the video as well. But they're definitely doing their things here in terms of updates. There's constant UI updates, etc. You can see the price is doing really well. We're up to $1,200 here in Piston. My goal is to get this up to $100 very soon, and then I'm going to start doing airdrops. But go ahead and hop on the team, guys, because if you're on the team, I'm going to make sure that I reward you. You already know how I do in drip. I'm going to do the exact same thing here. So make sure that you guys hop in. Piston token is another great passive income platform. Here I'm making $12 a day. That adds up, guys. And then I really think with all the things that they're looking to build out with this one, this is going to be a gem. It's a low-key sleeper right now, hence the reason that the price is doing the thing it's doing. But also remember, guys, we are in a super almost bearish market. If you look at Bitcoin's at 38K, a lot of the alts are down 10-15%. So just keep that in mind. These are things that are going to keep you afloat during those markets. Now, in tandem with that, we have my diamond team. So this one I really don't do a lot with. I come in here, I reinvest it, and I'm going to do that now. I put in 0.5 BNB for the pre-sale allocation to get into Piston token. So you had to come in here, you had to put 0.5 BNB, and that pretty much guaranteed you a whitelist spot in the pre-sale for Piston. So I really came in here, I have not claimed anything yet, and I just keep compounding. So at this point, I have doubled my deposits because now we're above one BNB. So I have 0.5 in, I've doubled that now, and I'm earning 1.5% on this every single day. As you can see, my max payout here is $1,400 and $1,400, and I just keep compounding this thing as well. So feel free to join the team on this one. I'm going to do airdrops on all these platforms, guys. I just have to build it up to a point where it makes sense for me to do airdrops. You know, I don't want to sit there and do a 0.05 airdrop or 0.1 airdrop. You know, I want to be able to send a good amount of airdrops to the team. So definitely feel free to hop on the team here, Piston and Drip, because I'm always going to take care of the people that are on my team. And the super cool thing about my diamond team is, and this is no shade to Piston or Drip, but the fact is you're getting paid out in BNB. We know BNB is always going to have value. People always talk about BNB going to be $1,000 at some point. So look, we'll see it. I think Piston token, honestly, with a price prediction, I think that we're going to see a $25 Piston token probably by the end of May. Now that might be a little bit bullish, but I think that we're going to see a $25 Piston token very, very soon. So I'm going to build my bag up. I'm really thinking about putting a little bit more in here. I'm probably going to buy 30 more Piston. You know, I just need to do it now before I wait. And that's the thing, guys. You have to take the risk. Nobody knows what this is going to do, but if I believe in this project and I think it's going to do well, it's time for me to invest a little bit more money into it. And Drip, you guys already know I said about this one. We have our 0.5 deposited into the reservoir now. We're getting paid out $400+ every single day from the faucet. And then my challenge is for you guys as well to make sure that if you're on my team, or if you're not, you don't even have to be on my team, but go into the reservoir, deposit 0.1 BNB into here. And if you're on my team, I will make sure that you get an airdrop. I will make sure all you have to do is put 0.1 right here and hit buy, approve it in MetaMask, and then that's going to make you eligible for the airdrop. So don't miss out on that, guys. This is going to help the community, help the team, and help everybody who is involved with Drip. Now, want to just give you guys a quick run through, a Sunday stroll of what we're doing over here to get passive income. Make sure that you guys join the team if you have not already. All the buddy addresses are in the description below. Make sure that you guys comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification button so that you know as soon as these videos are released. We're going to keep building our bags over here with Drip, Piston, my diamond team, and the Drip Garden, and we're going to keep doing our thing, guys. Build those bags and make this money.